And now it's time to test this telescope, and it's very exciting as it has a lot of parts, a lot of components. And stay tuned for the upcoming videos and tutorials for the Gskyers. I am going to be using all kind of different accessories and other options if you want to use it for tracking the stars and have even a better experience. This is not the tripod that comes with it. Actually, it's a great tripod. I'm just using a different mount, as I said many times, because I want to track the stars. Where you can use your cell phone to look. It's very easy to install. It comes with the attachment, the adapter where you put the magnification that you want. In this case, I have the 25 millimeter install here. So I have the holder, and this is where the lens comes in, right here in this part from the side. And that's kind of like the view, the way it's going to go. And then the phone goes right here on this part, the lens. The adapter, it's a small one for the phone holder. And I use Androids, which are way bigger phones, but if you use iPhones, this will fit really good. It fits on this one too, but I do have another attachment that I use all the time for these bigger phones, and it works great, but this one can be used too. All you need to do is install it, type the phone here, and then just find that camera lens there. So now we have to figure out which one of those three is, and you can just test a little bit using the prehistoric method, which is just put your finger there and block the view, and then you're going to figure out pretty quick which is the camera. See if I can find something. So yeah, there we are. I'm getting somewhere right now, and I may have to find the right top of the tree. Right there. See if I can just do this, and let me move this a little bit. They recommend to use the by 2 magnification. The most difficult part is to find that sweet spot. That's why this is something that is much better to practice during the day, which is something that I do anyways. You don't want to be doing this in the middle of the night. And I believe it's not probably completely right on the little hole here. Let's just go right there to the top of that tree. And right now the sun is hitting there. So that's why we're seeing this. Okay, so now I am going to install the app, and we have a little little piece of paper here for instructions. I will say let's make this a little bit bigger. We're going to look for the keywords on the Apple Store or the Google Play for Camera 360, which is exactly what I have right now. Okay, the first option that it gave me is that third eye hidden camera. That's not the one, so watch for the right icon to be sure that it's not that third eye hidden thing. It's this second one here, camera 360. Let me just go ahead and install that one. We have to obviously give the permissions. And there it is. I am on the camera right now. Okay, very good. Okay, so the function is the Bluetooth app. Of course it is. So now let me just go ahead and pair here. And now I am going back to that app, and let's see if it takes a picture of me. Oh, it has 2 buttons. One is for Android, the other one is for iOS, iPhones. Okay, so the small one is for Android. And it took a picture. So there it is. So now it is working. It's ready for tonight. So this is the setup that I have for tonight, and I'm just using Gskyer tripod with the phone holder. The goal, it's going to be the moon. So there it is, the moon. Let me just go ahead and go here. This is the photo mode. I am going to go here into more. Just go here into Pro, and right now it's at 320 ISO. That seems to be okay. Now I know I need to move there. And all you need to do, you need to play with the ISO. Right now it's not the best night. There's some clouds and things, but 320, I mean, you can play. This is a matter of preference, but you see that will be completely overexposed. Let's just have it there at 250. Very good. So it's all about settings now. It's not working on the telephoto, and it may be because it uses a different camera. Okay, but that is 1.2.2.5. Right now it's overexposed. So let me go back here to ISO. In my opinion, it's overexposed. The higher the ISO, the more noise you're going on the image. It's better always a little bit underexposed than overexposed. Okay, because underexposed you can fix that. Let's see. There's my first image. Okay, so it needs a little bit of sharpening. Let me go ahead and do even more. Let me just zoom in more. And it's never going to be completely in focus because we're not tracking. Okay? Okay.